a different week. There's definitely not this same box right here. Hey guys, so today I'm back with yet another Breyer unboxing. We have 4 horses today as usual, so let's get into it. Alright, let's get into this one. This one is new in box. The big bubble wrap. Take them out backwards. Cocktail toothpick. Not sure what that's for. I don't know what to do with this. We have Rugged Painted Lark. This was the BreyerFest 2007 Celebration Horse. That is the real horse, and let me get it in frame. There's the back of the box. Pause to read. And let's see. I think this was a limited run of 5,000, if memory serves. The inspector is here. What possibly, I see a catalog in here. What possibly could this be stuck on? Oh, perhaps the broken box on the inside. It should come out. There we go. Okay, what do we got? We have the 2007 Celebrating the Horse catalog. Maybe, let's see if I can give you a flip through backwards. I don't really know. Hold on, let me think about this. How do you do that backwards? We're just gonna go like this. Very... I'm trying so hard. Maybe this way? There we go. That's better. We skipped like half of it, but you get the picture. This is the model straight out of the box. I look so funny peeking over it to see if it's in frame. And the worst part, always. That was the worst ASMR moment ever. You have to do the rest of it. Okay, that's enough. Okay. He is free. This is one of my, or I think maybe my childhood favorite mold. This is the Zippo Pine Bar mold, and I have, just not here with me, Impress Me Shannon on this mold. And there's this guy. I don't really know why I sit here and show the camera, because I'm gonna overlay footage, but me talking gives you time to watch that. But he's very nice. I thought he had box rubs, but it was actually just box dust. He has a little bit of overspray in one spot, but that's okay. He's a cute little star. And I really like his tail also, how it's like, I don't know what that's called. In like People World, that's ombre. I don't think they call it that for horses. I'm not really sure. He's very pretty. I think that's from the factory. Very nice. I like his humps. Good humps. Let's see if I can just open it from here, because this is a Rice Crisps box with a perforated line. So maybe I can save myself some cutting. Maybe not. Yeah, I give up on that. Was this the one? I don't know what that's all about. Okay. This is Twilight Terror. Not new in box, but came with box. It's the twist tie, just a loose twisty tie, which doesn't, I don't think, affect the horse at all. Here's the beat up box, but I am glad to have it so that I can cut out the back. Let's see. Okay, there's the back. Pause to read. There we go. We'll put that in my box cutting pile. Yes, I am wearing the same pants. It may or may not be the same day. Here is his stand. We'll get that out first. I like how he came with, like, maybe that's not his stand. I don't know what that is. Just like, I gotta love it. This is his stand. A little dusty, but that's okay. I don't. Yeah, but like that, he's got like batteries. I don't know what this is. Is it like an alternate stand? Oh, she just very graciously included some of the plastic support. You can tell this is an old horse because of how yellow this is. That's garbage. Oh, I guess I can show you this. His box background. That's very fun. The listing, he looked to be in really good condition, so I'm excited. And he is from, I want to say 2007. No, that's not right, because he's 7th in the series. So that would make him 2008. Yeah, because Skullduggery was 2001. There's his head. My hair keeps getting ripped out by the tape. There's his tail. Very cool tail. I like did not notice. He's very like smoky. Oh my god, you can see through him. I knew he lit up, but I didn't realize. I should probably just like get him out, but like you can see through that lightning bolt if you look.
No,
What?
Said if you look.
Whatever. His foot does not want to come out. Buddy. Go get out of the box. There we go. Ripping my hair out. Almost had it. All right. There he is out of the box. That is one side. There is the other side. This is also my first one of this mold. I didn't fully realize, like, you can't really see it there, but if you look at him, like, from this angle, you can see how he's kind of, like, turning, which is neat. Let's get him on his stand so we can see the vision. I'm gonna support him because I don't want to break him, but this is what he looks like on his stand. And then he's just got a little dirty spot on his tail and a couple little scratches, but he is in good shape. He low-key has a mini skullduggery on his butt. Okay, now what we have all been waiting for. The lights and sound, which I was told works. Let's see. I think it's just this button. Ready? That's so fun. I love it. It's gonna be loud. It's like choppy. He's pretty sweet. This is a pretty cool horse. Here, I'll do it. Okay, next up we have this guy. This one makes me a little nervous. Let's have a listen. Okay, it didn't sound as bad as it did before. It kind of sounded like it was just wrapped in something, but then there was nothing holding it in place in the box. Let's take a look. Okay, I was correct. He is bubble wrapped, but that is it. I'm gonna like cover this barcode because I don't know what it is. This is what we got. I think he's okay though. Okay. Yeah, he looks good. He's not broken. Just the scratches on the offside, which I knew about. This is the very pretty, the Black Stallion from the movie on the sham Arabian Stallion mold. I love the tail posture on this guy and like the neck carriage and everything. And he's quite a compact model too, not very long, which is nice for display. But he is very pretty. Just a completely all black horse, no chrome, as they say. But yeah, that is. I almost said sham. Sham is the mold. This is the Black Stallion. Very nice. Okay, one more box with 2 more horses in it, but I'm only going to show you one of them in this video. You're going to have to come back next week to see the other one. In July of 2009. Alrighty. Is this what I thought it was? Yes. Maybe there's only... I don't know. I think there's 2 horses in here. We're just gonna go with this one on the top because you can see this one. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of this off to the side. I'm moving my filming setup. Okay. This is the, I'm gonna cheat, 2022 Halloween horse. I believe it's pronounced Maelstrom. Maelstrom? Not sure. But it is on, I was gonna say the semi-rearing stallion, but it's actually not. I don't know if I know what this mold is called, but this is the back of the box. Pause to read. Let me move my head. And let's get into it. Alright. What do we got? What do we got? We have the... I don't really know. Enter to win $1,000 shopping spree. We gotta enter right now. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's like, I think it's a catalog. Honestly, I didn't know they still made them in 2022, but that's pretty neat. But it also says Meet Mustang's Encore and Tour on page 29, which we're going to check out because those may or may not be sitting on the floor over there. Sneak preview. That's all you get. Here is this guy, straight out of the plastic.
Do you have anything to say for the audience? Spoken.
Heard. We've had these the whole time. Just gonna, okay. right, here is this guy out of the box. He has a super cool pattern. It is all pirate themed, which is pretty neat, and he is a yellow green, like, shimmer, I guess. But you can see all of his pirate theming, everything like that. Very fun, very nice model. I do like this mold as well. I like that it is one of the ones that sits up. It is not the semi-rearing Mustang, but it is a semi-rearing horse of some sort. Alright, that is everything for this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next week.